Advantages of a ketogenic diet. See our full article linked below, and it can also be found on our website blog at www.elements4life.com.au. The low-carb, high-fat ketogenic diet, sometimes referred to as the keto diet, has been demonstrated to have a number of possible health advantages. The following are some of the main advantages of a ketogenic diet. Weight loss. One of the main motivations for choosing the ketogenic diet is to lose weight. When your body is in a ketosis state, it uses fat as fuel rather than carbohydrates. This may result in a loss of body weight and body fat. Better blood sugar regulation. People with type 2 diabetes may benefit the most from the keto diet. The diet can help lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity by dramatically lowering the intake of carbohydrates. Increased energy. When your body is in a state of ketosis, it produces ketone bodies, which are a more effective energy source than glucose. This may result in more energy and sharper focus. Improved memory and attention. Two benefits of better brain function that the ketogenic diet may offer. This might be because the brain can use ketones as an energy source because they can pass across the blood-brain barrier. Fewer seizures. The keto diet was first created as a treatment for epileptic children's seizures. For certain children, the diet can be quite beneficial in lowering the frequency and intensity of seizures. May lessen the risk of heart disease. The keto diet can lower blood levels of bad LDL cholesterol by restricting carbohydrates, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Some people who follow a ketogenic diet may experience an improvement in their physical performance, especially in endurance sports. This might be as a result of the body's improved ability to burn fat for energy. Weight loss is one of the keto diet's key advantages. The body uses fat reserves rather than carbs when it is in a state of ketosis, which can result in a decrease in body weight and body fat. The ketogenic diet may also help with blood sugar regulation. The diet can help decrease blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity by dramatically lowering carbohydrate intake. Those who have type 2 diabetes may benefit the most from this. Additionally, the ketogenic diet may result in greater energy and sharper attention. This is so that the brain may utilize ketones, which are a more effective energy source than glucose, as an energy source. The ketogenic diet may also be advantageous for brain health, including better memory and focus. This might be because the brain can use ketones as an energy source because they can pass across the blood-brain barrier. It's crucial to remember that while the keto diet may have some advantages, not everyone should follow it. It can be challenging to follow and carries potential hazards such as vitamin deficits, kidney damage, and liver disease. Before beginning this diet, it is best to speak with a physician or a trained dietitian. As a reminder, the full blog article is linked below with additional information. For more videos like this, please visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel, and for access to the best holistic fitness and health products, please visit our website online shop at www.elements4life.com.au/shop.